Welcome to the 40 Customs front mudguard fender installation on the Super73 Z line of e-bikes. In this video we will be swapping the original fender for the functional 40 Customs mudguard fender, the perfect accessory for your Super73 ZX and Z-Miami. We begin by removing the original fender. Install both brackets loosely facing outside, before rotating the bracket inward. Now we can set the height, so you can just put in a finger in between the tire and the bracket, and tighten the brackets. Make sure the holes and the height of the brackets are perfectly aligned before installing the fender. Use a wrench to maneuver the bolt in place underneath the fender and tighten the bolts. Make sure to check out our other installation videos and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, and ride safe.